Have you ever asked yourself that question, how can I promote myself as a graphic designer, and got no answer? Well, fortunately today I'll be sharing with you 5 proven tips that I personally have used to promote myself as a graphic designer. Keep watching. So the first tip we'll be looking at today is to niche down. Before diving into other promotional tips that will help you as a graphic designer, the first thing you need to do is to niche down. Decide on what graphic design services you are going to specialize in. Are you going to focus on designing logos, posters, banners, or even a website? Niching down will go a long way in enhancing your value as a graphic designer. Which brings us to the next tip, networking. Networking is the process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. As a graphic designer, you're going to have to go out there and promote yourself where your services may be needed. Think of who your audience is and then make research on places that they are frequently online. For example, creating a Facebook page or joining Facebook groups is a great way to connect to your audience online and getting your name out there. You can simply go onto Facebook and search for keywords like graphic design and then select group and then just join whichever groups you want. Your main goal is to find as many conversations where you can offer an expert opinion. Do this in a genuinely helpful way. If you do that well, it will really help in promoting yourself as a graphic designer. The next tip I'll be sharing with you guys is setting up your social media accounts. Social media sites like Facebook, like I mentioned earlier, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and so many more. Since technology is so accessible and web developed, 75% of the world population has a mobile device. So, as a graphic designer who really wants to promote his or herself, it is crucial to be able to leverage each of these social media sites to your advantage. A portfolio is an absolute must. Clients want to be confident in the style of work you deliver before they will be willing to hire. So with your social media account, you can simply showcase your portfolio. Which leads us to the next tip, ask for referrals. It has been proven that 91% of customers would offer a referral if they were asked to. It is always helpful when a past customer offers to give you a recommendation or sends a new customer your way. But you can also help the process along by making actual requests for recommendation. You've literally got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Even if only 1 in 10 of your customers actually refers a new client, you've just boosted your sales by 10% simply by sending a few messages. So if you really want to promote yourself as a graphic designer, seeking referrals are super helpful. And the last tip for today is give back to your audience. You can do this by sharing what you know to your audience and help them start their own career. You can't make your knowledge something that's exclusive to you and you alone. So, sharing your knowledge will add value to the brand you represent and show people that you're not just a designer but a great human being too. You can do this through a blog, through a podcast, or even creating a YouTube channel where you share your knowledge and skills. For example, I created this channel to help those who have interest in graphic design but have little or no knowledge about it to become the best designer they can be. So there you have it, my 5 tips that will help in promoting yourself as a graphic designer. I hope this video was helpful. If the video was helpful, make sure to give it a like and also share with someone who you feel may find the video helpful. And if you're new here, please subscribe right now so you can see more videos like this. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week Friday. Bye for now.